Welcome back to the kitchen. Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you recipes and ideas, drinks on the menu. Anyway, it's a lovely day, and weekend is almost finished. But I'll make you a lovely drink, which you can start the Monday morning or the Tuesday morning, whatever you like to start it with. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and give me a like. Very important with your subscribing and the like. Thank you so much to tune in and watch my show. It is amazing, beautiful, really nice. Second thing I want to say, guys, I have to thank you. Alright, and today we make you a nice, lovely, healthy drink, and also how to lose weight and balance your diet, and all these things just coming handy for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I represent Jamaica. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. Welcome back. Anyway, we're gonna make you a basically what I want to say is a real a healthy smoothie, but I'm gonna make you a drink, but you don't need to use either honey or the orange juice. You can use water just to keep it more natural. All right, but it's a healthy drink anyway still, because everything is just natural, which I'm going to be using all of the ingredients. First of all, I'm going to be putting 2 pieces of ice in the bottom. This is a handful of curly K, which I'm going to be using. You can get that in the supermarket to buy. 1 handful of spinach. You can get that in the supermarket to buy also. Blueberry and blackberry, strawberry and grape. Alright, we're gonna pop this straight. It's just some frozen mixed fruits is the best thing to use to make smoothie. Roughly you can see, not even off, just few pieces. I'm gonna pop it straight in it. Also, ginger. I'm gonna put a piece of ginger. And roughly about a teaspoon of honey. I got 1 red apple. I remove the skin. Alright, lovely. Next thing, I got some lemon. Half a lemon. Nice one. So basically, I'm going to put some orange juice in it. Roughly about half glasses. A few pieces of ice. Cover. And then we're going to be blending for about 4 to 5 minutes on the Ninja blender, alright?